watches for men based on specifications, you're in the right place. All the watches product buying link were given in video description. Please like, comment, and subscribe my channel for more videos, and press the bell icon button for my new videos notification. Number 7. Breitling Navitimer B03 Chronograph Rattrapante Rose Gold Watch RB0311E61F1P1. Item shape round. Dial window material type anti-reflective sapphire. Display type analog. Clasp rose gold. Metal stamp 750. Case material 18-karat rose gold. Case diameter 45 millimeters. Case thickness 15.73 millimeters. Band material leather. Band color black. Dial color Stratos gray. Bezel material rose gold. Bezel function bidirectional bezel. Calendar date. Special features bidirectional bezel. Movement automatic self-wind Breitling B03. Manufacturer water resistant depth 100 meters. Number 6. Breitling Avenger Hurricane Military Automatic Men's Watch XB12101A BF46-283S. Item shape round. Dial window material type anti-reflective sapphire. Display type analog. Clasp buckle. Case diameter 50 millimeters. Band material fabric. Rubber band width 24 millimeters. Band color green. Black. Dial color black. Calendar date. Volcano black dial. Date features chronograph features. 70-hour power reserve. Self-winding automatic movement. Vibrations per hour 28,800. Jewels 47. Brushed black polymer case. Khaki green with black rubber strap. Scratch resistant sapphire crystal. 100 meters, 330 feet water resistance. 50 millimeters, 2-inch case. 7-inch adjustable strap. Case weight 68.9 grams. Case thickness 16.95 millimeters. Number 5. Breitling Top Time Shelby Cobra Stainless Steel Blue A41315A71C1X2. Self-winding mechanical movement. Power reserve approximately 42 hours. Chronograph 1/4 second. 30 minutes. Vibration 28,800 VPH. Case material stainless steel. Case back snapped water resistant 100 meters. 330 feet. Crown non-screwed locked. 2 gaskets. Crystal cambered sapphire. Glare proof both sides. Product weight approximately 99 grams. Watch head weight approximately 77.4 grams. Diameter 40 millimeters. Thickness 13.3 millimeters. Height upper lug tip to lower lug tip 48.2 millimeters. Lug width in between lug 20 millimeters. Number 4. Breitling Chronomat Red Arrows Limited Edition Reference AB01347A1C1A1. Mariner blue dial with index hour markers. Self-winding automatic chronometer movement. COSC chronometer certified. Brushed stainless steel case and pilot bracelet. Case diameter 44 millimeters. Inlet size 22 millimeters. Scratch resistant sapphire crystal. Glare proof on both sides. Height 15.1 millimeters. Material steel. Water resistance 200 meters. Movement caliber B01. Functions hours, minutes, seconds, date. Winding automatic. Frequency 28,800 beats per hour. 4 hertz. Power reserve 70 hours. Strap rouleau bracelet. Number 3. Bracelet Premier B09 Chronograph 40 AB0930D31L1P1. Green dial enhanced by luminous silvertone hands. Silvertone stainless steel case with a brown leather band. Automatic movement. 100 meters, 330 feet water resistance. Fixed bezel. Scratch resistant sapphire crystal. Solid case back. Fold over clasp. Pull push crown. Case size 40 millimeters by 13 millimeters. Band 20 millimeters. 18 millimeters long. Breitling AB0930D31L1P1 watch, featuring a brown band, scratch-resistant sapphire crystal, display type analog, department name men's, item shape round, case diameter 40 millimeters, power reserve approximately 70 hours, chronograph 1/4 second, 30 minutes. Number 2. Breitling AVI reference 765 1953 re-edition. Item shape round. Dial window material type Hesselite crystal. Display type analog. Clasp buckle. Case material, stainless steel. Case diameter, 41 millimeters. Band material, leather. Band color, black. Dial color, black. Bezel material, stainless steel. Bezel function, engraved rotating bezel. Movement, mechanical hand wind. Breitling caliber B09 water-resistant depth, 30 meters. Number 1. Breitling Navitimer automatic 41 men's gold watch. U173262111G1P2. Silver dial enhanced by luminous rose gold tone hands. Silver toned stainless steel case with a brown alligator leather band. Automatic movement. 30 meters, 100 feet water resistance. Bidirectional rotating bezel. Scratch resistant sapphire crystal. Solid case back. Fold over clasp. Pull push crown. Case size 41 millimeters by 10 millimeters. Band 22 millimeters by 20 millimeters long. Item shape round. Dial window material type scratch resistant sapphire. Display type analog. Class deployment class. Band material leather.